Welcome back for another 5-minute market update. Bitcoin actually held the line, making Johnny Cash very, very proud yesterday. Even though our TBO support line moved up from about $53,000 to $85,000, yes, we saw a long lower wick yesterday, but the best part about this is that this wick is a higher low. This is a wonderful change from the trend that we've seen making lower lows, lower lows. Higher low is a bullish signal. Now, on the daily time frame, TBO looks still pretty bearish. RSI is neutral, but I want you to look at on balance volume. There is clear quote unquote resistance at this level. My expectation is that closing green today would be massive for this, and we still have to push above this white line, which has been support / resistance for this entire chop season from November all the way to the current day. Now, on the 4-hour time frame, this is looking even better because check it out. On balance volume pushed up a lot, and it's actually holding above this line as well. It's a good sign. On the 4-hour time frame with the TBO, out of nowhere, Bitcoin pumped up about 6% in a 4-hour period, which is great. We really need to see it push out and above the top of the cloud. That's going to take a lot of bullish buying. It's going to take time for that to happen. It's not going to happen right away, but this is a good sign. We're looking at stablecoin dominance, more good news. We saw a big upper wick because of the lower wick on BTC, but that printed another TBT bearish divergence signal. This is available in the Better Traders Club Pro tier, and these are fantastic bot trading signals, but they're also really good at letting us know when a trend could be changing, either bearish or bullish. So this is great to have a second one up here at the very top. It pumped a lot higher than I really wanted to, but looking at RSI, we did not make a newer high. I know that rhymes, and I'm not going to be writing a children's story, although I've really considered it because of all the ridiculous rhyming that happens with all this stuff. But the main things I'm seeing right now, RSI on the 4-hour, it's just petering out. It's not even able to get all the way up. Poor thing needs some Viagra, but we're not going to give it any because we want it to be floppy and terrible. Sorry, that was a little bit pushing it. Here we go. Bitcoin volatility, BVol7D is literally right at the top of our rejection zone. Now, the highest this has gone in recent days was back in August 2024. It has not shown any signs of slowing down whatsoever. But here's the thing. This is a waiting game. We are literally waiting now for BVol7D to cool off and reject from here. It is going to happen. And when this happens, when BVol7D falls, it's telling us that there should be less volatility for Bitcoin over the next 7 days, which means that alts should be able to recover nicely. And we're starting to slowly see signs of that with the others chart. Again, another TBT bullish divergence cluster. This one's different because the thick green tab means that this is something to really pay attention to right here. We should be expecting a bounce to the upside with this chart, which is good for alts and low caps, basically the others. Now let's look at some other cryptocurrency charts. Ethereum is looking really bad. It wicked a lot lower, wicked down to $1,993, but it closed up above this white line. I've been telling you, like, if it breaks and closes below this line, it's bad news. Now, for some reason, it pumped up and it actually retraced with BTC yesterday. It shouldn't have, but it followed BTC. It needs to stay above water. RSI is looking so-so. On balance volume and volume is looking pretty bad. But on the 4-hour, look, we have, again, higher lows here. We don't have any new trend happening for on balance volume yet, but we have a slightly higher low here. It needs to push up so much higher. Solana has another TBT bullish divergence signal printed yesterday. Yes, it printed a really nasty lower wick, but again, similar to Bitcoin, it's a higher low. Note the difference. Lower low, bearish. Higher low, bullish. RSI is looking good, and on balance volume is above the white moving average line. This is a great reversal sign for Solana. XRP closed green yesterday, only up 2%, but look where it stopped, right at resistance. This is still a level that we need to watch for XRP. RXP, good grief. We need to see a close above this level in order to stay bullish. ADA printed up 9% yesterday, despite the massive sell-off we saw on Monday. That's a really good sign. Follow the money, guys. There's nothing wrong with following the money. And speaking of following the money, Aave over here closed up 14% out of nowhere. I can't find any news on this, but the fact that a long-standing TBO support line down here at $127 just shot up here to $167, that's a bullish reversal signal right there. I love how this chart's looking. HBAR, I told you yesterday, follow the money. And what did it do? It closed up 8%. There's nothing wrong with that. NEIRO pumped yesterday 51%. Are memes back? No. But NEIRO is pumping, and I literally have no idea why, but I love it. I'm not going to question. I'm just going to enjoy because I bought all the way down here. I bought here, 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 and I'm going to continue to buy. This might be a wise place to consider selling some, but RSI on the daily time frame. Oh yeah, no, it can. Yeah, we have a high here of 80.31 and a high here of 79.98. We have a slightly lower high. This is telling us that this is hidden bearish divergence. So this is a good place to take some profits if you've been buying some NEIRO. And last but not least, Hex is doing really well, pumped up 25% yesterday. It is above the cloud. It still has a long way to go, but it is almost on its way to hitting this long-term overhead resistance line. Now, this is a ton of stuff. Yes, I am trading. Oh, I forgot it. Okay, good. It's there. I am trading this chop. It's really fun. I am making some decent money with this. I actually bought XRP with BTC yesterday on the dip and made 75 bucks of BTC, waiting for the rest of the position to close out. I'm teaching you guys how to do this to the better traders, but for all of you that are just brand new to this, you don't know where to go, you don't know how to start your crypto trading journey, you just want to know about crypto. You don't even want to talk about trading, you just want to know the investment basics of it. Go to masteringassets.com. I have a course there called The Complete Cryptocurrency Investor. This is a fantastic course we did in collaboration. The Better Traders did in collaboration with Kitco. Yes, that Kitco. So this is a great course. It's perfect for people that are new to crypto. They don't know how to get started. They want to understand the crypto market better. So check it out, masteringassets.com. And until the next time, you know what to do. Stay awesome and stay in the green. Peace.